right, folks, we got a review for you. It's not even our products. It's time for a new set of boots on the SVR. So these come with Pirelli Scorpion OEM tires. It's an all-season tire. Works fine in the summertime too, and a lot of people will run them all year round. But ours were pretty much down to the wear bars, and it was time for something else. We wanted to try and get something a little bit more performance-oriented on there. So we're located 5-6 minutes down the hill from Area 27 racetrack, where we have a membership and where we run a whole bunch of these race cars. So we have private vehicle storage here. We look after everything from this beautiful GT3 RS to a whole bunch of club racing cars that we run in the Members Club Racing Series. Spec E46 type builds, really popular, Boxster Cayman stuff. We even got a couple of older cars like 944 turbos. Now, because of that, we have a special tie-up through Area 27 with Pirelli. And in particular, we use the Pirelli P Zero tire as a control tire in the GT27 race series. So we had a lot of experience with it, and we have special access to them. So we thought we would check them out and run them on our own car. Got one of them here for you to take a look at. So it's a fairly performance-oriented tire. It's still workable in the wet, but it's something that's a little bit more aggressive in terms of performance than the OEM Scorpion. So the questions that we had were, how's it going to ride on those? Sometimes when you go from a softer all-season compound tire to a tire that's generally expected to operate in a higher temperature window, and it might be a little bit of a firmer compound, you might expect a whole bunch of road noise. And in our case, as you can see, our car is lowered as well. We've put our own performance springs on the car, and although the ride quality is fantastic on them, anytime you change the compound of rubber, change the sidewall, you can change the ride quality. And one of the specific concerns we had with the P Zero, we used to be on a different tire in our club racing series. And when we switched over to the P Zero, we found that the sidewalls were significantly firmer, and we were running the tires several pounds lower, like very, very low pressures starting cold. And so one of the concerns that we had putting it on the car with a lowered suspension on the road was, what would the ride quality be like? Very pleased to say the ride quality is great. The compliance has been great. The road noise has been great. And most interestingly, because the sidewall is a fair bit stiffer on the P Zero than it is on the Scorpion, I've been driving the car back and forth from the shop and my house every day. It's quite a twisty road. You can get up to some reasonable speeds, and I'm really pleased to say that I feel like the transient response of the tire and the sidewall is a lot better. So it has reduced the amount of body roll. It's improved how quickly the weight transfers when you're applying steering lock, but it's done it without any compromise in ride quality. So if you have an F-Pace SVR and you're thinking about making a switch to a summer tire, or you live in a location where you don't even need to worry about having a winter or an all-season tire, we were really happy with these, put them on in the stock sizes. Great tire, very pleased to say, if you want something more performance-oriented for your vehicle, the Pirelli P Zero has been a great option for us.